divide the fractions with the whole numbers or dividing the fraction with another fraction. Now let us see, for example, let us divide the integers, that is natural numbers. For example, let us divide 6 divided by 2. Let us take this as an example. When we divide 6 by 2, we will be getting 3, right? And at the same time, when we divide one integer with a fraction, that is 3 by 2, we will be getting what? That is, it is in the form of x by y by z. It goes like this, x into z by y. I hope you know this, how to write the fractions. That is, if at all a by b is one fraction and c by d is other fraction, then we will be seeing that a by b divided by c by d gives us now here we will be getting that a by b divided by c by d gives us a into d divided by b into c. Okay, I hope you can see that a into d divided by b into c. Now in the same way, here we are taking 6 divided by 3 by 2. That means 6 divided by 3 by 2 will give us 6 into 2 divided by 3. That is 6 into 2 divided by 3. We will be getting that 3 ones are 3 twos are 6. That is 2 twos are 4. That is how we will be getting the answer. Now here we can see this. We can write this as in this form. That is 6 by 1 is first fraction. Okay. Any number divided by 1 is same of itself. So 3 by 2 is the second fraction. We will be dividing with the 3 by 2. See, as shown in the figure, it is similar to this formula, right? A by b divided by c by d. Okay. Now, however, we can write this a into d by b into c. That is, I hope you are getting this. A into d divided by b into c will give the answer. Then in the same way, we will be taking 6 into 2, that is 12, divided by 3 into 1, that is 3. It is equals to 3 4s are 12. Okay, the answer is same here. In this manner, we will be dividing the fractions. Now, we will be seeing how to divide the whole numbers by a fraction. That means whole numbers means nothing but other than the fractions. That is, whole numbers will come from on a number scale system. If you observe, you will be seeing the whole numbers that is starting from 0. That is, you will be seeing on number scale system here 0, 1, minus 1, right? From 0 onwards to the right side, you will be seeing the whole numbers from 0. From 1 onwards, it is counted as natural numbers, right? And if at all you consider the left hand side part of the number scale system, it is said to be as integers, right? I hope you know all these terms. Okay, and now we will be seeing that how to divide the whole numbers by a fraction. That is, whole numbers means that what I said, from 0 to 1 and so on, etc. And now we will be dividing these numbers. For example, let us take 1 divided by 1 by 2. That is 1 divided by 1 by 2. In the same manner, we have to convert this also into one fraction. That is 1 by 1 divided by 1 by 2. It gives us 1 by 1 by 1 by 2. That means it goes up. That is cross multiplication. I said 1 into 2 by 1 into 1. It gives us 2 by 1. That is 2. Okay. I hope you are clear with this. That is nothing but 1 divided by half will give us 2 only. Okay. In the same way, if at all you take, for example, I want to show it in pictorial representation also. That is, if at all I take a circle as a one circle. This is one whole circle, right? I am dividing it into 2 half parts. One half, first half, and this is second half. So, this is first half and this is second half. Now when I divide the whole with half, I am getting 2 equal parts, right? That is what here we will be seeing. That is answer 2. Now if at all I divide it with 4, I am getting 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal parts. That is 1 divided by 1 by 4 equals to 4. Okay? That is what we are getting, 4 equal parts. Now let us see the reciprocal of a fraction. What is the reciprocal of a fraction? Do you know that is the reciprocal of a fraction is, let us take one number 1 by 2. The reciprocal means we are interchanging the numerator and denominator, that is our answer will be 2 by 1. That means 1, the numerator which is 1 is going to denominator place, and the denominator 2 which is in denominator place will be going to numerator position. That is the interchange of numerator and denominator. Okay. In this way we can divide it. We can change it into reciprocal. Now let us take one more example, that is 3 by 5. What is 3 by 5 reciprocal? That is 5 by 3. And 1 by 1, it is 1 by 1, that is same. The reciprocal of 1 is 1 only. Okay. Now we will be seeing some examples here. See, I have taken 2 by 3 and I have multiplied it with the reciprocal of 2 by 3, that is 3 by 2. Then I will be getting the answer as 1, right? And if I multiply the number 7 with its reciprocal 1 by 7, I will be getting the same answer, that is 1. And if at all I will take 1 by 9 and its reciprocal is 9. So, right? 1 by 9 means that is 9 by 1 is the reciprocal. See? And I am multiplying with 9, I will be getting the answer 1. See, now here when I multiply a number with its reciprocal, I am getting the answer as 1. So the statement here goes like this: the non-zero numbers, that is other than 0, any number whose product with each other is, that means whose product with each other is 1, are called the reciprocals of each other. That means here I have taken 7 as a non-zero number and I have multiplied it with 1 by 7. I got the answer 1. So the product is 1. So we will be saying 1 by 7 as the reciprocal of 7. For example, let us take one more example, that is, if at all I take 3 and I multiply it with 1 by 3, I am getting the answer 1. That means 3 is the reciprocal of 1 by 3 and 1 by 3 is the reciprocal of 3. Okay, vice versa. That be why? Because I am saying, because the resultant what I am getting multiplying these two numbers is 1. So I am saying these are reciprocals to each other. Okay, I hope you are clear with this point, that is reciprocals of fractions and division of fractions. Okay. Now let us see how to divide a fraction by a whole number, that is division of a fraction by a whole number. Fraction means, for example, a by b form, right? Whole number means it is integers or natural numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, anything. Now we are dividing one fraction with one whole number, that is, for example, let us take, we are dividing 3 by 4 divided by 3. This is dividing the fraction with one whole number, right? Now here we are dividing 3 by 4 by 3. That means 3 by 4 divided by 3. Previously I have said the concept of a by b by c by d. So here we will be seeing this concept, that is 3 by 4 into 3. That is 3 by 12. That is 3 ones are 3 fours are, that is 1 by 4. So here we can see that how we are dividing a fraction by a whole number. That is, the formula here goes like this, that is, firstly we will be writing in this form, that is 3 by 4 divided by 3, right? So we are writing 3 by 1. So 1 goes up, that is 3 into 1 by 4 into 3. That is what 3 by 12 equals to 1 by 4. Hope you are clear with this. And in simple form, I want to show how to divide a fraction with a whole number. That is just a by b divided by some c. Assume this is a fraction and this is a whole number. Okay. Now it is just we have to do what is a by b into c. Simple. We will be getting the resultant answer. Okay. And now we will be seeing the second question, that is, will the reciprocal of a proper fraction be again a proper fraction? That means I am giving a question for you. If at all, what is a proper fraction and what is an improper fraction? When the numerator is greater than denominator, it is said to be as improper fraction, right? And numerator is less than denominator, it is said to be proper fraction. So, if at all, suppose let us take one proper fraction, that is 3 by 4. When this 3 by 4 is multiplied with the reciprocal, that is 4 by 3, okay, will it give a proper fraction, that is 3 4s are 12 and 4 3s are 12, that is answer is 1, right? That means what I want to say is, will the reciprocal of a proper fraction be again a proper fraction? That means this is the proper fraction. The reciprocal is, whether this reciprocal is a proper fraction or not, 4 by 3. That means numerator is greater than denominator, right? So it is said to be improper fraction. So here what the point we are noting down is, the reciprocal of proper fraction is always an improper fraction, and at the same time the reciprocal of improper fraction is always a proper fraction. This is the point we are noting down from this question. And second question here is, will the reciprocal of an improper fraction is an improper fraction or not? Now I have said, let us take 4 by 3. The reciprocal of 4 by 3 is 3 by 4. So the reciprocal of improper fraction is proper fraction. So it is vice versa or controversial statement. Okay. Now here we will be solving one example, that is, let us take 1 divided by half. When I divide 1 with half, that is 1 by 2. That means I am dividing one whole number with a fraction. So it goes up. I have said a simple formula, that is a divided by b by c gives us a into c by b, whereas a by b divided by c gives us a by b into c. Okay. Please remember these 2 points regarding the fractions. Okay. Now here I am dividing 1 by b by c, that is a divided by b by c. That means a into c by b. That is 1 into 2 by 1. That is 2. Okay. In the same way, here what we are doing, that is just what I am doing, you observe here, 1 divided by half means the reciprocal of half is 2 by 1, right? So what I am doing, I am multiplying the whole number with 2 by 1. That is, I am multiplying the whole number with the reciprocal of the fraction. That is, whenever we get a question like this, that is, if at all we want to divide one number with one fraction, we will be taking just the reciprocal of this fraction and we will be multiplying. Simply we will be multiplying the reciprocal. See, the question is 1 divided by half, but what I am doing, I am taking the reciprocal of 1 by 2, that is 2 by 1. I am changing this division into multiplication. This is the major important point when solving these fractions we have to remember. Now the statement here goes, see, to divide a whole number by any fraction, that means I am dividing one whole number with a fraction, then we have to multiply that whole number with the reciprocal of that fraction. What I have said, that is, when we are dividing one whole number with fraction, we have to multiply the reciprocal of this fraction with the whole number. Okay, this is what the statement goes like this. And we will be seeing one more statement, that is, while dividing a whole number by a mixed fraction, that means, for example, let us take 4 divided by 2 by 3 as shown in the question here. See, now I will be solving those questions. You see, observe carefully, that is 4 divided by 2 by 5. Okay. Now whenever I am dividing a whole number with a mixed fraction, first I have to convert this mixed fraction into a improper fraction. Okay, that is 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2, that is 12 by 5. Okay, then I have to do the application, that is what, convert this division into first multiplication, first step, and for whole number as it is 4, and the fraction we have to take the reciprocal of the fraction, that is 5 by 12. Simple, that is 4 5s are 20 by 12 is the answer, that is 2 10s are 2 6s are 2 5s are 2 3s are, that is 5 by 3 is the answer. Okay, I hope you are clear with this. Now we will be seeing further that division of a fraction by a fraction, that means here I will be saying that previously we have learned about division of a fraction by a whole number, right? Now division of a fraction by a fraction. Previously we have learned the multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. Now we are learning the division of fraction by a fraction. That is, if I will take one example. That is, if 3 by 4 is one fraction and 5 by 3 is one fraction. Now I am dividing these two fractions. That is how 3 by 4 divided by 5 by 3. It is simple. Previously I have given one formula, that is a by b divided by c by d. It gives us a into d by b into c. This is the formula we have to remember in order to divide the fractions. Okay. Now see here, we will be getting answer what is 3 into 3 by 4 into 5. That is 3 3s are 9 by 4 5s are 20. This is the answer. Hope you are clear with how to divide a fraction with a fraction and how to divide a fraction with a whole number, right? If at all you are dividing a fraction with a whole number with a mixed fraction, first we have to convert those mixed fraction into improper fraction, and later we have to change the reciprocal and multiply with the whole number. Okay? For this also same, we can divide the fraction with the fraction as shown, that is multiplying the numerator of the first fraction with the denominator of the second fraction and multiplying the denominator of the first fraction with the numerator of the first fraction.